What is up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rig Auto. And I want to give a huge shout out to OneTigris for sending me the Rock MOLLE chest panel harness to try out, and honestly, it's excellent. You can use it for airsoft or fishing. It's low profile, highly customizable. It has a front panel for modular attachment of pouches and tools, loop surface webbing for morale patches, detachable shoulder straps, reinforced stitching for extra durability, mesh backing for breathability, and my favorite is the secure front pouch. High quality for a great price. Link in the description. Today we're going to be searching this 2010 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Got my buddy over here working on the engine. Sure, buddy, here you go. Doing a great job. There was a wheeling edge over in the back seat. I'm just gonna take this off and add it to the collection. Got quite a few of them actually. We're gonna go ahead and search it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. We're gonna try to figure out where it came from, where it's going, and we're gonna keep trying to find that biscuit. You know, it's like a numbers game. It's only a matter of time before that biscuit gets found. All right, so I'm gonna take a quick look inside. This car is a straight mess, but I figured I could put it all back together and save the Crown Vic. Oh, look, it's got a little dish network thing. And look at these tires. Holy smokes, Firestone. These are looking nice. We have spotlights here. Great condition. Just swap that out to LED and you're in the game. Okay, I'm gonna start from the front and then work my way to the back, because this thing definitely full of goodies. You just gotta dig and really look. This right here looks like a ticket book. Wheeling strobe. Looks like a baton holder. Cops coffee cup. Dude, what the heck? It's that green in there. Look at that. Oh wow. Here goes another one. I have two. Nice. One man's trash is another man's treasure. Armrest. See what I mean? I could use that. See, an antenna. Somebody just asked me about something like this. Go ahead and add it back here. Goes a mini one right there. Bet you this is a Steady Burn red. And oh my goodness, I was so wrong. It's blue. Let's connect the other one. Steady Burn red and blue. Looking very nice. These lights will make any civilian car into a police car. I'm not really a fan of these center consoles, but some people out there still like them. And you see this, it is a very powerful magnet that goes with the Axon body camera. So this connects behind your shirt and then camera connects to this. Let's see what else is in here. Gun lock timer, and look at that. So this is perfect when you need to go grocery shopping. And here is the other one I found from that Explorer a couple months back. Wonder if I could modify it so I can use it to go grocery shopping. Okay, so I'm sending Melvin over to the store for me because he can't catch the Rona, if you know what I mean. And holy crap, can you even fit in there? All right, man, it don't take so long. Looks like there's more tickets over here. This is to add accessories or something like that. Can you guess what department uses these right here? Dude, that's heavy. And here is the window bar. I hope I can find the other. Oh, hope I can find the other one. If not, I'm just gonna keep collecting until I eventually find them. MRE chicken chunks white cooked. I should do a video of me eating this stuff, like a taste test review. US government property commercial resale is unlawful. Wow. And it looks like here is the water to go with it. Water in a pouch. Emergency purified drinking water. Why do cops need MREs anyways? It's not like there's not a McDonald's around every corner. A fingerprint pad. What's this? Please be a biscuit in there. This was pretty heavy, so it's a possibility of a biscuit in here. What is it? What is it? What? Ooh, it's a fingerprint kit. Evidence Police Department. Ooh. It is super dusty. Look at my hands now. Anybody want this? Let me know in the comments. Please be a biscuit, and I ain't talking about bread. I should make a t-shirt that says that. So there's a Firehawk wheel. This looks like a fuse box. Oh my goodness. Please tell me there's a biscuit in here. Please be a biscuit. Dude, this is sick. It's a Falcon radar gun. Oh, sick. Dude, I hope this works. Nice. Yes, yes. Let's go put this thing to the test. All right, I'm gonna plug this thing in for the first time. I'm gonna be so heartbroken if it doesn't work. Oh, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Let's go test this out. All right, guys, so I'm gonna hide right here, and I'm gonna catch all the speeders. I'm telling you, cops should just pay me and I could do all their catching the speeder work. I'm not even sure if I'm doing this right. Here we go. Oh, he's going 54. That's a 45. He's going for it. See, he's going the speed limit. Oh. He's going the speed limit. He's going 56. 50. All these guys are speeding. Okay, he's not speeding. Hey, that's Melvin. I'm gonna light him up. Put your hands out the window, criminal. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Oh, don't shoot me, man. What the hell?
Hey, no, it's not. Sorry, it's not a gun. This is just a radar speed gun. The reason why I pulled you over is because I was just want to show you that you were going 78 on a 25-mile zone.
That was Melvin, man.
What?
It was Melvin, dude.
So you're gonna blame the stuffed minion.
It was.
And by the way, Melvin, you're supposed to be getting my groceries. Where is my groceries?
He's higher than live rat, man. That was Melvin.
Unfortunately for you, sir, you're under arrest for reckless driving. You're driving 78 on a 25-mile zone. What? You give me the watch? That's the least I could do. That's another charge for bribery. Yeah, so that's another charge for bribery. Oh, nope, that's another charge. That's a charge for resisting. Ow, what'd you call me an owl? You called me an owl? Well, now that's another charge for aggravating a police officer. Resisting, aggravating, reckless driving. Get your buddy. And you, Melvin, you're under arrest for stealing my groceries and being under the influence. Damn, you thick boy. Control call tow truck for the 38 impound. To get him out. You can't. You can't even get out. What the heck is wrong with you?
Oh my gosh.
See, I know.
Dude, that one. Bro.
Hey, That's Melvin.